what's up, Charlie, and welcome back to the channel. I'm not posting in one whole month, and I know I have not posted in one whole month. I just cannot post in one whole month. I do not know why, but it is November 5th, which means it is Bonfire night, and I promise every single day I'm going to be posting a video every single week, or try to post a daily every single week, and if we can get to 2,000 subscribers, that would be amazing. And today is Bonfire night, which means it's Bonfire night. Now, me, personally, I don't like Bonfire night that much. No, but it's just like, as a little kid, I've always been scared of Bonfire night because I don't like loud noises at Bonfire night, and I was like bang! Like, Bonfire goes, no, firework goes into scare. No.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Firework goes into the air, goes bang! I go, ah! Literally every Bonfire night. Today, I'm going to be setting fireworks in my front garden. And I'm going to be like, ah! I probably will go like that. I'll probably go, ah! Because I'm still scared, even though I'm 13. But who cares? Right. And I don't like Bonfire night that much. But guess what's happening? We are sending it off. And I'm also going with my mate. So you'll get to see my mate as well. Well, I think of my mate. It depends. And if you guys want to see Kai, smash that like button and smash the subscribe button, because once we get 2,000 subscribers, me and Kai are going to be doing a video. Yes. Kai's going to pop up in another video. And go subscribe to his channel, King K Jones 7, I think. Yeah. Because he copied off my channel, Charlie Boy 7. He said, oh, I want to do that too. So, yeah. Very competitive. So, yeah, let's go say hi to the family. Because I'm going to introduce you to my family as well. I might in this video. Because I've introduced you to my friends, my sister, but not to my dad and my nan. And you may think not my mum, but yesterday was the day, November 4th, that it has been officially a year since my mum passed away. R.I.P. Mum. Yeah. So yeah, let's get on the video and let's go see my family. Or something like that.
Hey guys!
Photo. No.
Hi.
That's not Kai, by the way. Retake. No, I'm here. Wait. No. I'm here.
Hey guys!
Welcome back to the channel. I already said that, like, in my own house, but you know.
What?
Wait, we need to get Kai in it.
Whoa. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do Oh.
Shit. Right,
Yeah. Oh.
we're gonna surprise Kai, guys. So he's not gonna know in the video. Okay.
Hi guys. Yeah. What?
Look at these dudes.
I'm blood. I know these feet, man.
I'm putting this in the video, mate.
Right, so let's just stop and analyse what's just happened there.
That's Kai, if you want to see him in a month's time. He turned into an American gangster in 1 month. Oh, sorry, he turned into an American gangster in 2 months.
Get me stuff. Right.
And that's,
Someone help me.
I don't want to help you.
Okay. Like a fish then.
Yeah,
Ah!
okay. I'll go with my friends in a minute. We're gonna do a family firework display thing. So yeah, you'll guys will get to see that. Oh, these fireworks. Right, I need to get a light from the kitchen. Why am I looking in the freaking thing? I don't know, right? Oh, found a light. Okay, people get picked up by my mate. I'm walking down the road. Yeah, because why not? Yo, yeah. Please. I haven't created a YouTube video in 2 months. Sheesh. And my favourite thing is go, bro, look at that dude. So guys, you didn't get to see Kai properly. You got to see him as an American gangster. Sorry about that. Yeah, and you're about to see apparently one of the biggest bonfires ever in history. I think. And there's some more going on. Interrupting. Can you not interrupt me, please? It's still interrupting me. Guys, it's interrupting me. Can you stop interrupting me? I'm arguing with a firework, for God's sake. Right here, stop it. Oh my, have you had enough now? Can you let me carry on? Right, as I was saying, thank you. He respects me now. As I was saying, what? I can't take this seriously. Yeah, I'll see you at the firework thing. I'm on my way, and I swear to God, if another firework interrupts my blah blah blah, I can't speak. Interrupts my YouTube video. Are you kidding me?
Bang!
Oh my God!
I'm sorry.
These fireworks are interrupting my YouTube video here. Right. Right, so guys, I swear to God, stop interrupt. Do you hate me or something? Can you stop interrupt? Right, guys. He's interrupt. Oh, so now the firework doesn't want to go off as soon as we're pointing at you. This is so annoying. So as soon as I point the camera the other way, it doesn't want to go off. Are you kidding me? Alright, just wait. So if I talk like, yo, what's up? Oh, the fireworks are shining. I think the fireworks are shining. So as soon as I point the camera somewhere else. Oh, so now. Really? As you know, every time. Oh my God! Right, I don't like this game anymore. I don't like this.
What do you mean gay?
I don't like this anymore. So I can just see the fireworks. At least it's not bad. Right, I'll see you at the fireworks display because they just hate me, the fireworks. Yeah, I know it.
The biggest bonfire.
I know there's a guy literally on fire.
Well, there's not a fire yet, but it will be in like an hour.
Yeah. Why is my camera so fuzzy?
Because there's still like a lot of wood to get through.
I know, like look at that.
There's like
I know. You're trying to do a YouTube video there? Like really?
do it with the fireworks, isn't interrupting me. That's what I mean.
True. It's like, it's so crazy.
Stinks, man. Holy shit.
Oh my God, I feel like...
Zooming in at man, zooming in the sky. My hand is there. Want me to get a little more? Keep it like that, right there.
we're officially in the car. It was a good firework display. I think it was. Yeah, it was. You see the bonfire though? I know, and now we're on the way back. Yeah. Thanks. So boys, I just got back. It's nearly 8 o'clock. I'm so tired right now. And the firework display was really cool. But guys, if you liked the video, as I said at the start of the video, sorry my phone's falling a bit. As I said at the start of the video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And get this video notifications because you can see more like this one because I'll be doing more. So boys out.